In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon with text in Shopify. To start, open your Shopify admin and sign into your store. Make sure you're logging into the store you actually want to edit and that you have permission to customize themes. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This takes you to your Themes area, where you manage how your storefront looks and feels. Next, open your active theme for editing by selecting the option to edit or customize the theme. This launches the theme editor, which is a live preview on the right and a list of sections on the left. Everything we're going to do happens right here. Decide where you want your icons with text to appear. You can use the page selector at the top to switch between your home page, product pages, or other templates, depending on where this content will add the most value. In the left panel, click Add Section. This opens a searchable list of all the sections your theme supports. In the search bar, type icon with text. This filters the list so you can quickly find the built-in section designed for showcasing small graphics alongside short descriptions. Select icons with text from the results. Shopify will add the section to your page and highlight its settings. You'll see placeholders for each item. This is where the fun begins, customizing the content to match your brand. Open the section settings to configure the layout. Choose how many icons you want per row, adjust spacing, and align the content for readability. Then, edit each block. For the icon, you can upload a simple high-contrast graphic or pick from any options your theme provides. Clean SVG or PNG files with transparent backgrounds usually look best. Keep colors consistent with your brand palette for a cohesive look. For the text, add a short, clear headline and a brief supporting line that explains the benefit, not just the feature. Aim for concise wording so it stays readable on mobile. If your theme allows, add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and SEO. Preview your changes on desktop and mobile using the device. Toggles in the editor to make sure sizing and spacing feel balanced. When everything looks right, click the save icon in the top corner to publish your updates. That's it. You logged in, went to Online Store, opened the theme editor, added the icons with text section, customized it, and saved. Your store now has a polished, informative row of icons that helps customers scan key benefits at a glance.